Right, so we need to simplify this into a single fraction, and the first thing is to find the LCM of 5 and 15, the common denominator. So the common denominator there is going to be 15. So place everything over 15. Now 5 into 15 is 3. So 3 will need to multiply. Then minus 15 into 15, so it's 1. So it will be 1 bracket 2a plus 19. Now we need to remove the brackets. 3 times 3a we get 9a. 3 times minus 4 we get minus 12. Minus 1 times the get minus 2a. Then they will get minus 19 all over 15. Now combine like terms. 9a minus 2a we get 7a. Minus 12 minus 19 we get negative 31 all over 15. Now these are no longer like terms, so we are done here. Thank you.